All right, so we finally finished this set. This is Funwhole set F9035, the Mountain Cabin. This set comes with 2,255 pieces, and it retails in the U.S. for $99.99. I did get a discount on this set, and I think it cost me on Amazon. It cost me about $75, which was actually a pretty good deal. And I found that these Funwhole sets, for the piece count, for $75 is a pretty good deal. This is another really nice set. I mean, this is my second set from Funwhole. I've really caught on to kind of the design and the cool sets that they've been building. This is, again, really like building modulars, so I really enjoyed putting this together. This mountain cabin has a lot of detail, and it has 3 floors added to it. Minifigures. There's 2 females here and 2 males. This guy here is the biker. This one here is down here. I believe this is a jacuzzi down here at the bottom. This is the tree, and then there's somebody else living inside the cabin. So just looking at the first floor entrance of the cabin here. So this is the door entrance. There's a few flowers here, and then I believe that's a jacuzzi, which is a nice little detailed feature here. And then coming over to the right side, so this is a rock formation with, I guess those are steps leading up to the side of the deck, and it's mostly for bikes and repairing the bikes. There's a lot of tools here as well, which again is a nice design. I didn't even expect that, but it's I guess you would see that kind of thing if you're in the mountains. And then the second floor deck is nice. There's a lamp out here as well as a rocking chair, and then the camera. This is where the bed is, and there's a little lamp in there as well as the guitar. And then taking off the top floor, this is the second floor. Basically is the living area. As you can see, there's a fireplace, a little table in there, as well as a kitchen area, as well as, again, some tools that lead up to the deck, and then the stairwell upstairs. And then you can also pull out the back. There's the kitchen area, and then you see inside the second floor. There's some nice foliage in this set. Again, there's a lot of leaves. Some flowers, and then I go over here on the right, there's some flowers and plants on that side, and again up here on the deck. Those are a nice little added feature that I think really adds to the detail of this. And then of course there's the big tree, and then of course included in the set is the light kit. So there's lamps down here in the front for the front door, as well as the jacuzzi. The second floor has a lamp, as well as the fireplace in the front. And then the back on the third floor has a little bedside lamp there. And then also over here on the right as well in the bike area. Again, this is another set that has no stickers. It's all printed pieces, which is really cool. I mean, this is another added bonus to these sets. And then just quickly looking at the booklets, there are 2 booklets in this set. It comes in 10 bags, so probably about 225, 230 pieces a bag. And the first book, it talks to some nice pictures here. On the front of the first manual, there's a nice scene of the image of the set, along with that nice foliage, and then again talks about Funwhole. There's a good image here, I think, of this of the set with the 2 in the bike, and then there's a little panoramic scene, and it talks about inspiration. There's a nice picture again of the inside of the set. It talks about our inspiration for the vacationing of the set, and then it simply gets into the build. And there's probably almost 160, 170, 180 pages per build. Again, the first 4 or 5 bags are in the first manual, and then the second manual is 5 through 10. For now, I think this one is definitely good. If you've gotten into these sets, I would recommend putting one of these together. Again, for $75 and 2,200 pieces, it's a pretty good deal. And this one, I definitely can say I did. I think because of the piece count and the amount of bags, it took me a little while to put this one together. And I think the colors are really nice, and it really matches the mountain cabin theme really well. So again, if you enjoyed this build, I would really appreciate you clicking on like and subscribe. And once again, I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.